making slime with the glue I got today. That's clear glue. And then I'm probably going to be making it red. I have Gain. And yeah, I know this bowl is messy because I made slime and this is the slime that this is a slime bowl that I always use. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, my cousin's going to help me open this thing quickly. Sorry, we have a little tab on it. Yeah, Gain. Yay. Yummy. I'm just kidding, that's not yummy at all. Don't eat the detergent, kids. That is not good for you. Okay, now I have to hold this with my other hand. How will I do this? Okay, so I got the glue. Pour some glue into there. I don't want to pour too much. That's good for now, actually, because I'm just going to make a tiny slime. And then I'm going to... Sorry, I have very shaky hands right now. Okay, there's the clear glue. Have some... Just want it like that. I'm going to mix it. Like a red. Okay, now we're gonna add some. Sorry, wait 1 second. Now we're gonna add. Yeah, I know you didn't really see it. Yeah, it's there. Now we're going. Ooh. Now we're going to add some detergent. Oh, it's heavy. Oh gosh. Let's add some detergent. That's good for now, actually, because I don't want to add too much. Sorry, guys. It's very heavy for me. Not really heavy, but like it kind of is. Sorry, I kind of have to do this. And sorry, guys, you can't really see it. I just don't have the broom right now. My cousin is using it for her YouTube channel. I'll put her YouTube channel in the description. My two cousins, me, and my sister has a YouTube channel. So I'm going to put actually all of them in the description. Make sure to go follow them. Okay, I know it's like not time to need it, but I'm going to need it anyways because like your girl gotta do what your girl gotta do. And if I need help, my cousin might help me. She might not because she's filming a video right now, but yeah. Pretty cool. Okay, it is quite sticky, but I haven't made slime in a very, very, very long time. Like, very long time. I mean, not long, but like quite a bit. I didn't have any glue left, but I'll show you what this slime turned out to be like. Turned out to be like that. Here, I'll poke it on the table for you guys. It's like a pink slime, actually. But, sorry. This is it. Oh shoot, it's a tiny bit sticky. Just remove that. Here, I'll just do this actually. I'm not doing that because I don't want them to see my feet. Sorry guys, I'll do it in 1 second. Okay, wait 1 second, guys. So this is my slime. tiny bit sticky, but like, I mean, I can't add any more gain into it because I have sticky hands, first of all. Second of all, I just don't want to. But I do sell on the street. But yeah, that's all I wanted to tell you guys. And yeah, bye guys.